Yo. Okay. Okay. Do. All right. Let's get some people here. And then we're gonna hold on, let me get some music in the background. Let's get some music up in the background. Let's see. People are here. If you are all here, you know, is the hold on, let me see. Wait, wrong flow, but a girl never took a loss. Wrong never took a vote, switch you off. Left behind like ash, but a rock there too. Alright, hold on. Oh, you could talk or kiss the Glock. You could get left behind like ash. All so many O's, wallet looking like a bubble beam. Alright, hold on. Is it too loud? If it's too loud, let me know. Like a Wanderous, dead like Amanda Bus. Alright, let me see if it's too loud or not. I feel like my voice is too low. So let me fix that. Alright, let me see if it's too loud or not. I'm checking, hold on. I feel like my voice is too low. So let me fix that. I'm checking something. If it's I think it's good. Is the voice good? The music audio good? If it's not good, let me know. Pokemon. Oh, catch him. Oh. Alright, hold on. We're gonna be doing some stuff. But I ain't catching shit. Yo, 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 yo. Alright, let's start the timer actually. So, the timer is for the music site. It goes live in 6 hours. And what we're going to do within the 6 hours is we're going to edit some things. We're going to just change some things around. But hold on. I just want to make sure the stream is working good. No issues with the stream, you know what I'm saying, man. Just want to make sure everything's going good. If there's any issues with the audio, let me know. But everything's pretty much all set to go for the site, actually. Let me update this. I don't think there's anything else that I need to do. I'm just trying to think. Pokemon. Alright. So with the code, I don't think there's anything that we need to change with the site. Artist selected, that's been fixed. You know what? Hold on, we can test it actually. What's up, Pluto Bay? We are gonna test it real quick with some stuff. What's up? How you doing? So, what's up? What's up, everyone? So it's now 6 o'clock. The site goes live in 6 hours. The updates, the changes, everything goes live in 6 hours. You love my channel? Thank you. Appreciate it. Alright, hold on. We need to do this. Then we need to refresh this. So we're gonna, hold on, we're gonna do something here. Because we need to test it. So we just need to test a few things, make sure things are working as they should. Is the stream okay? Stream okay? What is this? You donate? You don't need to donate. You don't need to donate, I'm all good. I don't need money. I do have a donation thing set up, but I don't know if it works. But you don't need to donate. I'm good. It should be fine now. Hopefully. Did you see that? It went up and then staying? Is it staying? Alright, hold on. Let me close some things down then, if that's the case. Here. I'm gonna close Discord. Is it better now? I closed Discord. It's better? That's good. Let me see what else. I don't think I could close anything else for now. I could try and turn the music off, but you know, this is gonna be a long stream, so I kind of want it to be, you know, have background noise. Is the audio good? But like the audio and the music good? Like you can hear me good? Because I rewatched some of the live streams I did, and my audio was very low, and no one's pointed it out. So I didn't understand, like, people had me at max volume and it was fine. Because for my phone, I had to turn it up all the way up just in order to hear me. So I wanted to change that up so, like, you don't have to be max volume. Audio's good? That's good. Alright. I don't know if anyone's been following along with the music site. If you have, then you know what we're doing. If you haven't, then you probably have no clue. You can keep music on. Video is better now. Don't worry about it. Yeah, it should be good. The only thing I can't guarantee is the internet. School internet, really... It isn't quiet now, that's good. The school internet has been trash lately. Always has been, still is. Because I did a live stream the other day, and it crashed like 3 or 4 times. It was frustrating. The reason I haven't really been active lately, I would say, like, is streaming wise, is because I've been preparing for an interview on Tuesday. I got an internship. Yeah, school internet does suck. I got an internship interview coming up, and it's only one of them of many. So I'm planning, hopefully, to do better with it, and then, but not. I don't. What am I saying? I hope to do good on it, and then hopefully it goes to the next step. Because after that interview, there's gonna be like 2 or 3 more. So I hope that I do good on that one. Because the next one is the one that I think is really the real interview. So I'm just hoping. I don't know. I've had a lot of preparation lately. Today, yesterday, tomorrow, and then it's at Tuesday at 1. So I'm hoping it goes well. That's why I haven't really been active lately. I mean, I say that, but I have been active, so I don't know. Kind of like, oh. What was I? So I was gonna test this. Phone code. So if we... let me make sure this is muted. Alright, so that's good. Yeah, I hope it goes good too. I had I got good help with like I did a mock interview with someone today earlier, and then I did so I did the mock interview, and then we talked about more stuff. She helped me with like how, like, because she works at the company, so she helped me with like trying to understand the flow of how the interview should go. It's only 15 minutes long, so that's what scares me the most, is that it's 15 minutes. Because 15 minutes doesn't... I feel like 15 minutes doesn't... It isn't enough time to really get to know me. But then again, it depends on how it goes. Alright, so we're going to start with settings here. Let's take this one out of the window. Oh, what's going on here? Come on. So let it play. And then here, if we hit connected, it should show it. So here. But suggested playlist should work. So if I hit add this, it should add the artist. Oh my god. Alright. It's lagging. Why is everything lagging? Okay, hold on. I'm gonna turn the music off. Hold on, let me... I was gonna... Hold on, I'm gonna change internet real quick. Cause it's lagging. Let me see, change it to... Hold on, I'm gonna change it what internet I'm on real quick. You're frozen? Yeah. We should be good now. We should... Are we good? Let me see how the stream is on my phone. The school internet is so trash. It was good for a while. And then it just, you know... I don't know. I think it's because everyone's here now at school. But it just, you know, I can't... It's so annoying. It's so slow, too. So what are we... I think we're checking here. So I don't think... So artist selected. We hit add. What? It says artist 2 is not defined. I don't know. Let me check the code. Artist 2 is not defined. Oh, okay, hold on. I know what I did wrong in the code. Hello. We're updating. Let me show the code real quick. So I have to update the code because I did something earlier, and so this is where we gotta change it to. So we have to update this, and then okay. So that's why that wasn't working. That makes sense. How do you know coding? Are you learning it at school? Yeah, so hold on. I got an email. I gotta look at this real quick. Important email. Took a couple of weeks. All right, that's good. Okay, so but yeah, with the coding, I am self-taught, but I am taking courses. But these courses, you know, being self-taught, these courses, they only teach me, I guess, the formal way of coding, not so much how to code, because I basically know how to code. They just help me be more organized with it. Thank you. Just gotta fix these. There's another one I gotta fix. The internet stays good for a while. I'll turn the music back on, but right now I don't want it to crash again. I could have sworn oh, here it is. Alright, so let's check back with the site here. So let's refresh this. We connect with it, and then should be going on. All right, so there. So if we hit add, it should have added those artists in here. So where's my mouse? The site is right here. It's called Music Randomizer. These site changes that you see here are gonna be live at midnight, EST. So that's what we're working on now. Well, we're just counting it down because it's basically done. Yo, Ruben, what's up? What's up? You hit that like button? Yo, if you see this, yo, hit that like button, subscribe, you know, that good stuff. But yeah, we're just working on this. Yeah, I'm streaming all night. I'm streaming till 12, maybe 12:30, depending on how it goes. But I do plan to be streaming the next 6 hours. Whether it just be random things or not. Now I did. Yes, sir. You know. Hey, we got the whole squad pull up. Yes, sir. Yo, Osty Wasty, what's up? The whole squad pulling up. You know who it is. Yes, sir. Alright, it does that, but it doesn't do this. Hopefully the stream stays up. It's already crashed once. People are being loud out there. Oh, Noah too? Oh man, yes sir. You know what it is. 6 hours, the site gets updated. That is what it is. Yes, sir. Let's see. What's today? Today's 17th. So it did receive the command. But let me see why it didn't update. Oh, Glonic too? Oh man, we got the whole squad here, for real. Oh yeah, hold on. I got emails. Nothing. Send feet? Yo, you weird. Glonic, you weird. You in the wrong stream, okay? You in the wrong stream. Wrong stream, man. This ain't that type of stream. Alright, I think we gotta do in here and then... which one is this? Remove all artist, start settings. Command sent 9. So we sent command 7. So I think we sent command 7. Date list. Oh wait, no, that should be... What emote is that? Is that a monkey? Monkey do work? Yo, let's hit 8,000 subscribers tonight. Let's go. Yes, sir. So it's... The command received is 7, which is here. But it didn't do it for some reason. But it's supposed to do it. Hold on, maybe there's an error. Let me try this again. So we close this. Where's this one? So if we put this in this, let me see the thing here. Alright, so, where is it? This is playing, as it should. And then, here, we click suggested playlist. If we hit this, let me double check that it's working. I guess it's supposed to have worked. What the hell is this? But it didn't do the thing here. Let me refresh this actually. Alright, so we start with the settings. Age restricted. Okay. That'll be fixed though. Alright, so there. Let me clear the cookies. Oh wait, it's already cleared. Good. So if I hit suggested playlist, it suggested that over here. It should have added them here. What type of music do you have randomizing on there? Any type music. You could have music settings here, in which I'm gonna move this up a little bit because it should be up a little bit higher. But you could have random music from here. You have all the settings here. You could also search an artist. You could search for you could play a song, create a playlist in which oh wait, oh no, it's fine. Okay, it's because of that. But yeah, you could do anything really. It's called musicrandomizer.com. So yes, that is what it's called. Right, so like I said, in 5.5 hours the site will be updated with all these changes here. The site right now looks like trash. The site that it's gonna look like looks less trash. So that is how it's gonna be. I don't know why it didn't do the artist selected here. Let me check the code real quick. Because it's supposed to have done sent command. Let me see what command it sent. It sent 7, in which this command, okay, it does that, but it doesn't do this. Get artist list, remove function data. Hold on a second. Get artist list. I think that might be the issue. Page we get. Get artist list where passcode equals 1. Oh wait, does that not? Okay. So I don't think it's being updated in the database, is it? No, it is. Okay, so where artist selected, okay, new artist list, return that. So in here we return the data console.log artist, in which we do get artist chosen, but it doesn't do it though. How come? So this here is supposed to be MNMD12. It does do that. I don't know why. Um, it does all that it's supposed to do, but it doesn't update the artist chosen, artist. Let me try it again. If the stream ever like lags or stutters, just I guess wait a minute because you know, there's nothing I could do about it on my end. The school internet's trash. Basura. So look, it does that. But if I hit this, it should change on this end, the artist selected, but it doesn't. And which I don't understand exactly why, because the code for artist chosen should be working, but it doesn't. And you should add Doja Cat on there to the artist sometime. Yeah, I'll get around to doing it. Right now there's only like 215 artists. There's a lot of artists that I do need to add that I'm planning to get around to. So that's why tomorrow is the day that the changes go live, because I need to start getting on the like wagon of adding more artists again, adding more songs, because it's been a month and a half since I haven't been doing that, because I've been working on the design changes. So I'll get around to doing it. I need to finish the artists that I have now, and then I also need to go back, double check some of them, because I know Taylor Swift released a new album that I missed, Folklore or something like that. So I have to go back to add that. Some other artists released new music too, so I gotta make sure I jump on that. And then I also have to make sure everything's working. So when the changes go live, I need to make sure everything's working. It'll be... Yeah, I put KSI on there, yeah. I had to put his new songs on there, because I know he released like 3 new songs since I last checked. So I gotta add his new songs on there. But yeah, there's a lot of artists that I need to add. Like, I know people recommended me artists. I'll probably do a stream, so... someone said... So this is gonna be like my thing. So people recommended these bands. I also have a list of my own that I know. Yeah, he did. I think it's called like Put Down or something. Lay Down. I don't know. What's up, Cedric Kunstman? I don't know how to pronounce that. But yeah, I do plan on adding them. I don't know why this isn't working, because if I do this, if I do that, it should change on here. Or it should have changed. Let me double check something real quick. Something wrong with the code. So 100 gex. Let me see if the code is the issue. Yes, the code is the issue. Get artist. So get artist, PHP get artist. Where's that? What does it say? Offset 939. Song ID, song ID 39. Hold on a second. It's right here. Oh, wait, did I? Okay, hold on. is the... No, the database is correct. I don't know why it's... But if you have a list of artists that you want me to add, let me know. Because I eventually do want to add, like, all of them. And I say that, you know, unrealistically, because there's thousands of artists. But I do want to add a ton of artists. Update phone where phone equals connected. Connected equals yes. This, okay, hold on. This doesn't make sense because... Where's my, okay, there. NZ, check connection, connected. Yeah, things them up. Send it. Song ID, did I not... Result, SQL2, row, result. Song ID equals row. Where random, hold on. If count artist chosen is greater than 1, do this. Else select, so we're looking at this part of the code here, because something's wrong with this part, which, like a YouTube comment, or I assume a YouTube poll, but yeah, asking about their favorite artist. I'll think about it. The community post, the polls, I'll probably do a poll, because the polls seem to get more attention than the community posts. There's not exactly analytics on the community posts of the reach of how many people see it, because I do know the polls do a lot more numbers than anything else, and that's why I do them. It's because the numbers that they do is pretty good. Select all from songs where artist equals artist chosen, order by... Oh, okay, so this makes sense. So the reason it didn't work is because those artists aren't in the database. So if I had done the baby, it should work on the end here, which I think it looks like it has. Yeah, it has. So it's because the artist isn't in, like, because this is separate database. Okay, so that works. Let me just make sure everything else here is working. You could take it off, so then when you hit skip song, it goes back to using the settings. Alright, so skip song and start with settings is all there. The grab stuff I was gonna do something better with, but I did want to do like because the graph is gonna be linear, because it tracks the views of each day. I wanted to make it so like it shows the difference also between the previous day. So I don't think these numbers here can be changed. How do I... let's check the code real quick, because the way those graphs are done are in a specific way here. Which one is this? This is this. But let me just check my phone. Check the community posts. But yeah, almost 5 more hours. That is insane. So this data here is what Hello, Love Soda the Furry. What's up? How you doing? How you doing? So the data is here, but the way it returns the where's the end of it? It returns the sum here. So we get the sum of the day or the month, but we aren't getting the difference. And I don't know how I'm gonna do that exactly with the graphs, because with the code it isn't technically set to do that with the data that we're getting back. Let me see here. So we get views, but we're not getting... hold on, we might be able to do this easily. So if we do this, where table 1... Oh, but see, the thing is, though, we aren't gonna, it's gonna be different, because if it's the 1st... So the way it works is, if it's January 1st, and you want to see the view difference of, like, December, from December 31st to January 1st, how are you gonna do that? Because it would be 1 minus 1. What's up, the Living Coke? How you doing? You living? Whoa, 10 viewers. Yo, where'd everyone come from? Everyone's hyped for the site to be live? I sure hope so. I know it's going to be a long stream, and not everyone's going to be here during the process of when things go live. But I certainly hope the support is helpful, because this has been like a project in the works for a few months, and these site changes are really gonna change a lot. I really think hopefully more people will start using it, because this is just the beginning. There's gonna be a lot more to the site than just this. I plan to be doing a Discord bot for it. So that'll probably get coded up too. We could probably stream that. There's another thing that I want to do with it. I want to create an API for it, so it can work on other sites if they wanted. But this is just the beginning of the end. But I could easily just say from the 1st, so if it's January 1st, it doesn't subtract the 1, which could be easy to do. So let me show the code again. So if I say, because table 1, table X, I believe this is for the months, is it not? Are these for years, 2 years, 1 years? I believe, so if we do the difference, table 9 is going to be, select select sum as views, hold on. Oh, so this is that's for monthly. Wait a second, we could do it this way. So if we select monthly, for 1 month it doesn't matter, but for 3 months, if we do this, the difference between the month 1, month 2, month 3, let's create a new button actually, because I wanna do so here, so you're gonna see this, but I'm gonna make a new button called see difference. So what page is this? This is graphs. Because if we see the difference, then what? My phone is charged at 100%. That's what I like to see difference, and then update graph is gonna do this. So how did we do it for the other one? Update graph runs return song graph, return artist graph. Okay, so how did we do? I know what we're gonna do. So in the code, we're gonna do this. We're gonna basically do it so it's separate, because I want to change this up a bit here. So on our graphs, instead of update, we're gonna do this, but we're gonna do update graph 2, and then basically it's gonna be the same thing, except we're gonna create other ones here. So let me create a new file called update graphs 2.php, and then we're going to create a new file called update graphs 3.php. So that way we're going to basically do these same code, except it's going to be different. So this is going to be for 2, this is going to be for 3, then let me close some of these tabs here that we don't need. So this we don't need, this we don't need, this we don't need, this we do need. So return. So here we're gonna need update graphs 2, update graphs 3. So the way we do that, and then get artist graph, we're gonna need a second one here. So we're gonna do this. Get artist graph 2.php. So the way this is gonna work, we're gonna use the same code, except we're gonna change it up a bit. So the way this is set, this is for the artist. So the way we can do this, I believe, let me see. So 1 month, it doesn't matter for the 1 month, but it's for the 3 months. So the way we can do this is we're gonna do from table 3, we're gonna do this. So we're gonna do basically this same thing here. Hold on. Except we're gonna change it up a bit. So, and then instead of table 3, it's gonna be table 2, and then so on. So table 2 will be table 2 minus table 1. So if we do that, sum of table 2.x, so we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna say difference equals, and it should be views minus views 2, and that's how we're gonna see it. So it could it be a negative? How's the negative gonna work in the graph? Let me check something real quick. We'll just do it this way, and then we'll try it with the other one here. So with this, instead of table 2, it's gonna be table 1, and then same thing here. So that should work here. And then if we do that, let me double check everything. It should, daily shouldn't be, hello, Kale, sorry I missed that. I'm literally just like on a roll with coding right now. I'm having a ball. So let's restart this. So let's try this. We're gonna see the difference in the graphs and all. So, graph. We're gonna fix this. But if we do this for the 3 months, is it for daily? I feel like something's wrong here. Something is wrong here. Let me update the subscriber count because I feel like it's not updating. But yeah, 5 hours and 13 minutes until these site changes go live. And we're adding a feature right now that I did not plan to add. So this should be very interesting. Because basically just adding these features live. So this should be without daily. Are these the difference though? 10K. So let me fix the alignment because that alignment bothering me. 55 is good. 55. What is up, everyone? 9 viewers. Oh my. Getting popular. Ooh. I'm getting popular. Show checkboxes. What is up, everyone? How's everyone doing today? How is everyone doing today? Let me put the music back on for the background noise because I don't think so we don't need this right now. We can actually just put this back here. Let me put the background noise back on. So you're about to see what the site looks like right now. This is what it looks like right now. This is what it's going to look like. So you can see the amount of change that is happening. But we're gonna play some non-copyrighted music of Shofu. If the music sound is low or too high or something, let me know. It should be good. But yeah, so that's the way that is. Yep, yo. Yeah, the site changes are gonna look crazy, especially with all the new features. Remember me. Daily. Well, we don't have. I don't think we have it for daily, do we? Is this what daily's for? Oh wait, I know what I didn't change. We didn't change the PHP in the code. So we never changed, let me show the code. We never changed the code here. So get artist graph, we never changed it to 2. I don't think we have to, is that the only one that we have to do? I think that's the only one we have to do. I'm just, alright. So now when I update the site, it should show the difference, but I don't think it's going to show the difference for the days. I think it's just for the months. I'm going to have to check that. Alright, so look, we hit this. We hit see difference. Oh, it's, okay, it's different. Oh yeah, see, so it does show the difference here. So it does show the difference, but why does it do like... Oh, this is for the days, okay. And then for monthly, it's gonna be different. See, look, that's gonna look so crazy. The stats are gonna look so crazy. Like, these stats are gonna be insane. I gotta finish it, though. So, we only have the stats set for... Where is it? It's right here. What's up, Happy Squid? Yeah, the stats part is what I'm most interested in, is this stuff. Like, I can't wait to see this stuff here. But we have to fix the code first, though. See difference 2. So, wait. Something different. So, okay, I just thought of an issue. So, when we hit this, it's changing... It's not doing this. Oh, well, we don't have that coded anyways. But if I go back to here... Hold on. Past 3 months, see difference. Something's wrong with this. Because daily shouldn't show that. Let me see what's wrong with the code. So, on graphs. Oh, it's, okay. Hold on a second. What was I doing this whole time then? Let me refresh this. Pokemon. Alright. So if we go here, we hit see difference. I think we did this backwards. Hold on. Catch him. Aw. Catch him. Aw. Catch him. Aw. Catch him. Aw. 87. Graphs 2. Where's the return artist graph 2 and 3? Oh wait. Psych, I ain't catching shit. Let me just change this to 2, and then in our code we could just change that back to 2. So let me try this. I don't know why this looks like it's wrong, but so if we go to past 3 months, why does it do this? It never did that before. Unless I just never noticed it. But like if I unclick on it, it doesn't update the thing. So I don't think did I update the correct code? Getartist2.php. Let me make sure I didn't update the wrong code here. What's going on here? Jared the Shadow, we're preparing for the site to go live, or the site changes to go live, and then we're actually adding more changes to the site currently. So in about 5 hours, the site changes will be live for people to use. Site is currently live now, but the changes, it's what I think people would be more interested in. But yeah, did I do the wrong... This? Let me just not make this checked on here. But yeah, if y'all like what you see, this is just the beginning. This is just the beginning, trust me. Alright, so this is just for January, past 3 months. If I see difference, nothing happens. Why? Why does nothing happen? Pokemon. It runs... Okay, hold on. Get artist graph. Why does it run that? T187. Hold on. Update graphs 2. What did, oh, I changed. Okay, now I get it. I changed the wrong one. So get this. So if we do this now, past 3 months, you see that? Now we see the difference. Nothing happens again. What? Pokemon. Why? Oh, okay, so we were doing the daily, we didn't do the other ones. So, okay, so we need to know when it's unchecked or not. So let me do that real quick, hold on. Alright, so in our code, we're gonna basically do this. We're gonna say if does not equal on, we're gonna do this here. So instead of settings enabled, we're gonna do this. So when we click on it, it's gonna do these functions. If we don't click on it, do these functions. So that way it updates the site. So let me refresh this and show y'all. So when I do this, I do past 3 months. When I update this, oh, we gotta do this, but I messed it up. So daily has to be checked. Let me just fix that. Wait a second. So even if it's saying on January, everything changed here. Oh, because November is 0. January and December is the same. Okay, that makes sense. So this is for the artist total. So we're going to say like in January, December, the artist got 6.6 million views. If we don't see the difference, it just shows 0. But December to November, so see difference is I think backwards. We did the thing backwards here, so let's refresh this. 5 hours left, let's go. Alright, so in January, December, the artists, these are made up numbers right now. So in January, December, the artists got 6.6 million views. In November, they got 0. If we like to see the difference between December and November is 6.6 million. The difference between January and December should be, I got this backwards actually in the code. So in the code, it's a bit backwards here. This can be closed. Where's the get artist? So this is a bit backwards here. This should be from 2 to 1, 1. I feel like this is a bit backwards here. So from 3, which is from January to November. No, January from December, you subtract it. From January to December, you subtract it. From December to November, you subtract it, which is 0, so something doesn't make sense here. I have no rivals. Oh. Because it countdown for the best hentai website, music website, yes. Oh, yes. So this doesn't make sense here. I swear I meant to say music. Alright, yeah, sure. Everyone meant to say music. November? What? No. So November, this is a bit backwards. I think we had this backwards here. I think this has to be 3. And then we do this. Subtracted by that. And then for this one, hold on. For this one, I think we do 2, and the difference is going to be 2 minus this. And I think that's correct. Where year ID equals year 3. I think that's correct. Oh wait, this might have to be year 2. So on the site now, this should make more sense. So it's like that. If we see the difference, oh wait, that's because it's 1 month. So this is the 3 months. We see the difference. January, so from January to, okay, so yeah, that makes sense. So let me go here, and was it January, what day is it? The 17th. So let's just, on the 17th, let's just add, say, 7,000 here. So that should change now, here. It should be increased, technically. Why is that backwards? I think I did the subtraction wrong. Views 2 minus views 1. Views 2 minus views. What's 3, 2, yes, 2. Table 3 would be January, right? January minus. So it's January minus. Oh wait, no. I did do this backwards. And then I think this would be the other way around also. So this should be fixed here. So here, so the difference here, I'm pointing at the screen, but you can't see it. So the difference here that you can see, the difference between November and December, or December, yeah, November to December, the difference is 6.64 million. And then the difference between January from December is 50,000 views. But if we take off the C difference, it just shows the total. It just shows the total views. So that's how it's gonna be. Because sometimes maybe you want to see the difference, and then sometimes maybe you want to see what the linear algorithmic way of it. Because otherwise, and I wanted it to do it this way because the way this is set up, it's just gonna be a straight linear line. Everything's just gonna be linear, unless they get no views. But now at least with C difference, you're gonna start seeing like the pattern go up and down. It's mainly gonna be like ups rather than downs, I think, for the daily views. But for the monthly, you're gonna see the difference. Like you're gonna see negative and all that. Okay, get him. So let's go back to the code. And we need to integrate this with each one. So the way this is set up here, so this top one doesn't matter. The way, so this goes from 2 to 3. Let me copy this because we're gonna need this. 2 to 3, 1 to 2. So for 6 months, the first, like I said, the first one doesn't matter. It's gonna be used, so 5, it's gonna be 6, I believe, right? 2 to 3, yeah, it's gonna be 6. Wait, did I change? Yeah, these are all changed. Alright. So this is gonna be set up pretty good here. Yeah. In the first place. Alright, so we're gonna do it here. So so this is gonna be 5. And then this one's, wait, 5. I skipped it here. If anyone's got any questions, let me know. Because this process is gonna probably take 30 minutes here just to change them all. If y'all want to hit that like button on the stream, it helps the stream a lot, actually. And I do hope people do stay or come back for at least when it's 12, because it's gonna be so beautiful when the changes are done. Did I? Okay, I keep thinking I skipped one because I keep seeing the 3, but I didn't. Because this is gonna be here. But if anyone's got questions, feel free to ask them. I am down for questions. And then, so that's done with the 6 months. So now, if we see this on the site, I believe we can just do this. So for the 6 months now, hold on. So now we see the difference here with the 6 months. So this is pretty cool, actually.
So it's gonna look a lot better when like all the data is there. Right now the data is not all there because these are kind of made up numbers. But it's gonna look a lot better when the data's all there. It might be confusing to look at, and that's sort of because you gotta think more into it. Like from October to November. So November had zero. Say November had 0 views. That means from October to November, that's a minus of 10 million views. But from November to January, because they both had 0 views, the difference is 0, and so on. So you got to think about it that way. At first glance, it might be confusing, but it makes sense. Trust me. Yeah. Like here's the change we did here. So from December to January, the difference was 50,000 views. I do have to add one more thing to the code for this. So like if I click here, it doesn't update this. So I need to make sure like it checks if this was checked or not, which isn't that hard in the code because we already did it here. You basically just need to do this. I don't think, hold on. I think we could just do this and then just remove this. And then just change it to that. So let me check this now. Alright, let me check this now. So if I do past 3 months, it does that. See difference? What? Oh yeah. That's okay, yeah. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. All right. And then this plugin changes a lot for it. The plugin changes a lot for it. So we did that. That's good. Now we got finished updating this. So this is for the 9 months. First one doesn't matter. This gotta be 9. But yeah, if anyone's got questions, feel free to ask them in the chat. Because that would be very helpful. Hold on. I forgot to copy something up here. Hello, Emilio Castro. How you doing? We are working on a music site. Shofu and Shizzy Sticks. We are working on a music site, and the changes for this music site go live in 4 hours and 45 minutes. These changes have been long awaited, I would say. If you got any questions, feel free to ask them. The site is called musicrandomizer.com. It's on the come up. There's another, after this set of things we got fixed, there's another thing we got fixed, but we also have to, there's another thing that I think I need to look at. Because there's something I was looking at earlier that I think had an issue with in terms of the view data, and I think it's gonna be kind of fixed. I don't know. Hold on. 5666 difference art. But the view data that I have been collecting might be useless because of how I'm gonna change it up. Because something else intervened with it, so I might have to change it. Because I was trying to make it get data, so when it goes live, it'll have some data on there. But the data that I was collecting sorta doesn't work now, which is unfortunate. But you know, it's gonna be fixed. $93. Alright, so this is the last one here. And then, wait, where'd it go? So it's gonna be... two. Suit and tie at. Alright, so that's that for that. That's that for that. Man. We've been live for an hour. Oh my gosh. It feels like I just went live. It feels like I just went live. That's insane. Oh no. I'll copy this. Alright, now we gotta finish this for the 12 months here, which it's gonna take a while. For every rhyme you didn't get, talk to me. Table 12, table 12. This song go crazy. What is this? Pokemon rap? Halloween? This song goes crazy. Let me just, okay, so since I'm not doing much, only 4 left. Yeah, 4 hours left. Let me move the code in front of me so it looks like I'm looking at the camera, because if people think I'm just looking over here, they might think, oh, he's not paying attention. But I am. I am paying attention. I mean, 4 hours left is pretty good, actually. It's more so closer to like still 5 hours, but you know. But let me see something real quick. If y'all haven't seen my latest video, ooh man, y'all were missing out on how much money Mr. Beast was making. He was making, I don't know. 4 hours. It's not 4 hours though. It's still 4.5 more so. It's not that much. But we're getting there. We're getting there. But these changes, I can't wait till they're out. Once they're out, I'm gonna try and get a commercial done for it. I'm not gonna make it. I'm gonna try and see if I can find someone that can. I don't know if they make commercials anymore for sites, but I guess I'll see. I'll have to check Fiverr or something. Or what do you use to host this? So what I use
Allen Cube, because it doesn't take much for the site to actually be. I'll turn the sound down on my end. It doesn't take much for the site to be hosted, so right now it's just on a normal server because there isn't like there isn't very user creations on here, so you don't really need to create an account, and that's what I've been trying to avoid for the most part, is because I don't want it to be like, oh, you have to create another account for another site, you want to give your information up or anything. It's like, I don't want your information because technically I don't need it. The only thing that you have to accept is the cookies, and that's really it. Because the site does use cookies, and it does need to use cookies. There's no way around it. But yeah. I could put it on a normal server, like an actual, like, dedicated server, but I'm not getting that many people on the site. If I do get, you know, 1 million people on the site, then yeah, I'm gonna have to change it up. If I get 1 million people on the site, you know, that just might be like the dream. Any other questions? Feel free to let me know. I like how the viewer thing goes, like, spikes up and down, because they just said 8 and now it's at 4. It's all good though. I'm not bugging. It's a lot better than Instagram Live. Oh my god, that place. Instagram Live. I do have a few other projects that I want to get into after this that I want to start, and I need to write them down before I do them, because I want to, like, try and remember them before I. Oh, thank you. That's appreciated. Thank you. But don't advertise it just yet. Wait until tomorrow, because these site changes. That's the one reason why I haven't advertised the site as heavy as I should, because the site right now looks like trash. But the site changes is gonna change that. That's the thing. The site changes are gonna be way different. And that's what I. Hold on. That's one thing I've been waiting on, is these site changes before I do anything. Okay, so hold on. This is gonna be like this, but wait, not the first one. It's gonna be the second one here, and then this we do up to 3, but we don't need this. I don't think so. What is this? This is for. Why is this here? The graph is gonna be what gets it rolling, I think. Yeah, I think so too. Hold on, I need to understand why I did this here. Years equals 1. Years. Because I know I did a change yesterday. Let me see something here. So, and year ID equals this. 1 and 2. So down here, I don't use year ID, but why? Option selected. Daily. Monthly, daily. Z move. Alright, I think if daily equals off, so it's just gonna be monthly. Let me check this. So I think I need to change these to what it was up above, because the way the graph is set up is specific. So there's gonna be 3 and that's 2. So, and then I think I do need to add the year ID to here. I mean, I'm more of like a analytics type of person, and I love looking at, like, you know, numbers of things, seeing the trend of numbers. Social Blade, you know, it's not healthy, I know that, but it's something that I'm definitely it's something that I definitely do love looking at, and it's, I don't know, it's pretty interesting though. because I like to see the trends. Not everyone's like that though. I think this should work here, but I'm not exactly sure how. Oh, that's the wrong one. So I think let's refresh this. So if we do past 3 months, daily we turn it off, we're gonna see this. We turn it on, it's this. See the difference, we get something different. Okay, yeah, so what file were we editing? Get artist graph 2. So this is for with 2. How come? Okay, something might not make sense here, which I might have to fix. So January to December daily. Okay, so it doesn't matter in a sense for right now, but it is going to matter. So we're gonna have to fix that code with this other one here. So here, and which I guess I didn't fix it because I didn't think it was necessary, but we're gonna have to fix it now. So let me just copy this and just make sure here, because it isn't necessary technically, but it will be. So 1, so this is gonna be 2, and the thing is that the graph for the years 1 and 2, 1 will always be the previous year. No, I don't remember. One of them will be for the previous year. 2 will always be for the current year, or vice versa. So that way, it'll always show the previous year data still. When it becomes to be like 2 years into the site, I will change it so you can see the past 2 years data. But for right now, it's not necessary because I don't have that data at all. But yeah. 3. So we need to add this to code here. And which that's gonna be for the most of it here. And then because yesterday I think I was trying to come up with an algorithm, but it turned out that I didn't even need the algorithm. It was just in front of me the whole time. Oop, that's the wrong thing. But yeah, it's all good. It might be repetitive, but I only have to do it once technically, because the rest of it would all be done in the database. So this should be another hour. Let me see, 44551212. Are you running this off of Google searches or views on website? It's using Google API, Google/YouTube API. The YouTube API is for how I get the views and I store the views. The Google API helps with the iframe, the iframe and the song like playing in the background. So that's how I do that. But with the YouTube API, I have it run once a day, so it saves the views and it updates them in the database. So there's that. And then I have that's pretty much it with that. The YouTube API wasn't that hard to use. Neither was the Google API. You just need to get the certain amount quota, in which you have to request it if you want more. And so they have like a thing, like quota is usage for like how usage for how many queries you can run a day, and it depends on what you're querying. It depends on the cost. So just for views, each song costs 3 quota, and so because I have like 27,000 songs, it costs 3 quota, and I do the query twice a day, so it's around, what's it, 27 times 54, so it's around 100,000, 108,000. And I have a quota of 1 million quota per day. So until I start reaching that threshold, I'm pretty good for right now. I asked for 1 million, and I was afraid they were gonna say like no, because I was like, 1 million quota is a lot, but I guess they accepted it for my reasoning, and I was glad, because thinking of it now, I should have asked for maybe 10 million, because that would have been a lot more helpful. Yeah, definitely check it out later. Oh god. Ooh, I'm gonna need to. Oh, I do have water. But yeah, everything's going so good right now. I can't believe that a poll that I did is Among Us a dead game. Almost 2,000 people voted in 6 hours. That's insane. But how's everyone doing today? I know I've been asking this I've been asking this for a while, but you know, I'm kind of bored. Because a lot of what I need to do right now is just repetitiveness. do, 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 do. 4.5 hours. Let's go. Poggers. Let's see. What's this? 6? What is this? The 9 month? So this would be towards the end already. I'm doing good. Just school started this past week. Continues next week, you know. That's how the days work. I have an interview on Tuesday, which I'm still sort of nervous for, but it's better now because I got some help today for it. I just hope it goes well. Because it's only 15 minutes, and that's the most thing that I'm concerned about, is that it's 15 minutes. Because I feel like 15 minutes isn't such a long time, because even now streaming, it's been 1 hour and 30 minutes, and I'm just like, that kind of went by quickly. I feel like I just started streaming. What is this 4? This is 3. This is 2. And then after this, we need to go back to the other one if I can finish that one. So this should be the last bit of this for the 1 year. Put you in a box if you a burden. I do my job, I get to working. Alright, so 3. Um, 4. I can't wait for this to be done. And then, so what the future streams might be now is either me just talking about like music and stuff, or me working on a new project, because I did have a project idea today, and I might stream it depending on how much time I have, because I have a feeling that these next few weeks are gonna probably be my busiest. You'll hop on the site tomorrow? That's good. Let me know how you like the changes. You could either tweet at me or just comment in the below how you like the changes. Because you will? Alright, thank you. I get my job, I get to working. Put you in a box if you a burden. Alright, so this is the last bit for this code. Show food. Big night. Is it? I don't know if it's possible. Alright, so 5. So this page is almost done. I don't think I have to do the other one. I'll have to check the songs, because this is for the artist. I don't think I have to do it with the songs. If so, then oh well. Alright, let me double check now this page. Alright, let me double check. Hold on. 1 2 1 2 1 2. Hit him with the 1 2. Then I hit him with the 1 2. What am I doing? I'm working on my music site, which is, hold on, right here. So I'm working on my music site. Is the stream okay? I moved something. The stream was like lagging or something. I don't know why it's doing that. Strange. But and then at 4 hours and 21 minutes, these changes for the site go live. So that is what's up. But yeah, they go live in 4 hours and 21 minutes, and we're putting the final touches on them on the site, because there's just a few things that we have left to do. And the data, that's what we're doing now. We're messing with the data and the analytics that you can see. So I'm double checking everything here. Because if I don't, you understood a little in Brazilian. I don't know. I mean, if you understood a little, that's fine. I don't know how else I can explain it. I'm sorry. 1 2. So we're just working on this part of the site now. Let me refresh this thing, because it hasn't been... Refresh the sub counter. Because I don't think the sub counter was updating. It does that sometimes. Like someone said yesterday, like, oh, I subbed, but it didn't go up. It does take a minute, but sometimes it does get stuck. Yep, 7783. Let's go. I have no rivals. I have no rivals. Years 3, years 3, years 1, years 1. Okay, that's good. 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. Like, I'm delicious. Yummy. I have no rivals. Hit him with the 1-2. Then I hit him with the 1-2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Years 6, 1, 2. Years 4, 1, 2. Years 3, 1, 2. Years 2, 1, 2. That's good. Years 1, 2, 3. Years 3. Alright, that's good. And then, for the current month, it doesn't really matter. Oh wait, no, it does. Hold on. It does matter. Because when it turns into a new year... I need my paper like Tom Nook. I need my paper like Tom Nook. Drop it. Twin gloss. Do I look like I'm Timmy and Tommy? Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I think I gotta just fix it up here. So years 1 equals 1. Years 1 equals 2, and then we do it here. So like that. Then I believe that's good here. And then here we gotta fix it up at the top again. Alright, let's see. So now we got this set up here, I believe. Here's 1. So this is all set up here, and then 6, 7, 5, 6, 4, 5, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2. Do we have one for 1 year? Is it always gonna be 2? I think so. It's always gonna be 2. I think so. Twin Glocks. I pull up like I'm Timmy and Tommy. Pow, pow. Twin shots. Yes, sir. Okay. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, 11, 12, 10, 11. 9, 10, 8, 9. Alright, so this is for... Alright, so now we gotta do this. Am I happy doing this? I actually am. It might not sound like I'm happy, because I don't know... The way my voice is, it's kind of like... My voice is kind of monotone, and I kind of hate that, because like... I am happy doing this. I like programming because I like to create things. Is this all done here? Okay, so you're gonna subscribe? Yes, sir. Thank you. I appreciate it. I will not let you down. And if I do, I let myself down. Because I'm trying my best. I'm just trying. It's tough out here. I'm not even really much of a YouTuber, to be honest. I'm just doing this for fun. Alright, so wait, did I do user ID? The numbers should update in a minute. It does take a while. But yeah, let me just... The audio skipping around. I think that's just a song. Or it might be like when I talk it stops maybe. Oh, I gotta change. So this is where I gotta update it. Alright. That might just be the song, I believe. Yeah. Maybe it's either just a song that was doing it or something on your end. Because I mean, obviously I'm streaming, so it's fine for me. But, if Sawyer doesn't have a problem with it, then it might be your end. Let me just double check this. 1 2 1 2 1 2. B-A-T bigger words on sensei. Yeah, it's probably just on my end. Yeah, it probably was. I mean, I know my stream isn't always perfect either, so it could have been that. But, I don't know. So hold on, we're gonna change this, and then we're gonna go through and fix it up. Because it just has the issue. But it is too. Protect bonus, y'all. Roses are red, you need to stay calm. Here comes Thomas the thermonuclear bomb. What? That's so random. Beat me when Ash has a birthday, y'all. In the first place. Alright, hold on. So, this should be almost done with this page. What is this one? The 9 months? This is the 9 months. So after this one, I'll fix the other code here. Like, what we're doing right now is kind of just repetitiveness. And it's not 9, it's 5. It's just repetitiveness because we need to go through it and fix it. And I think in the next 7 months, 6 to 7 months, we will be back doing similar to the same thing, which is updating the code. It depends where I'm at in 7 months. Hello Infinity, what's up? Sawyer, I have no idea what you just said. I don't think that was a word. I see phobia at the end, so it must be some fear of something. And I honestly don't know what it is. No idea what it is. Almost 4 hours left. Whew, it's been quite a long time. Whew. Let me just double check this. 1, 2, 1, 2. This will probably be the longest that I've ever streamed on YouTube. On Twitch, I think I streamed 5 hours, and then after that, I was so tired. What's my site name? It's called musicrandomizer.com. Let's throw a party when you're done. I wish. The fear of failure. Is that really the fear of failure? I thought it was some other one. That's a strange way to put a fear of failure. The site, yeah, so the site name is called musicrandomizer.com. No, I would throw a party when it's done, but you know, it's never done. It's only getting started. The next part is, yo, someone disliked the stream? Wow. These people are out for blood. What did I do? I'm just streaming, man. People just hating for no reason. Crazy out here. I don't remember BS. I pull up like red. But so we do this with this one. Did you know that there's a fear that somewhere you feel like a duck is watching you? Is there really? That's crazy. Is there that somewhere you feel like a duck is watching? I don't. Well, how does I gotta look that up later? How does that fear work? Like I don't like that's insane. I don't understand that. Yo, the spike in viewers just went up. Yo, what's up, everyone? Everyone that joined, what's up? How's everyone doing? What is it? It's probably called like duck phobia or something. Or like whatever duck, the scientific term for duck is. Is it, I mean, there's gotta be one for every animal, I guess. Cause it's gotta be like, it's so weird that people, is it from ducks? I mean, if it's from like the ducks from a regular show, yeah, that makes sense. The ducks beat you up and all. But, I don't understand how, there's gotta be one for every animal, I assume. Offended anyone? What? I'm not offended. People are offended. Let them. I don't think what you said was offensive at all, to be honest. Pikachu, Pikachu. So we're at this part now. Anatidaphobia. That is so strange. Oh yeah, I don't need this one. That is so strange. People are afraid of ducks. It is real. That's insane. Is it just ducks though? Like, there's gotta be one for like lions or something. Like, I mean, it's so specific to ducks that I feel like there's gotta be another one to other animals than just ducks. There's gotta be like an animal phobia list or something. I just don't understand it. That just doesn't make sense. When I look it up, I gotta see a video on it. Like, a person that has it, what's cyberphobia? Is that being afraid of the internet? A fear of computers. I mean, that makes sense. Because a lot of people that are, like, I guess, old, the internet's sort of new to them. You know, it's kind of like a brand new world? People like think, oh, the government's watching you all over the internet, which is true. It's true. Anything you do on the internet, the government's already watching. I don't know how to say that at all. You got phobias for every single thing. I know there's a phobia for phobias. It's kind of wild. It's like, it's a paradox essentially. Like, how are you gonna have a phobia for phobias, but be scared of your own phobia? Like, what? You're in a loop. You're breaking down. How are you gonna do that? What did I just do? I gotta do this. That is insane. But yeah, fear of computers makes sense. That one at least makes sense because it's, you know, people might not know what a computer is. I mean, and then also, like, you think, like, some people think computers, they think, like, from the movie, like, what, iRobot, the, you know, computers taking over the world and all that. So it does make sense that people are afraid of computers. But it doesn't make sense that, like, be afraid of ducks. I don't understand that. Like, what if a duck is just walking by, like, minding his own business? You're gonna yell at it? You're gonna run away from it? Like, I don't know. I know I'm being ignorant, but it's like, it's a duck. Ducks are cute. What are you afraid of ducks for? There's gotta be some science behind it. Are all phobias from PTSD, or can they be... could they be like genetic or not genetic, like in your genes or something, sort of like a mental disease? Could it be like that? I don't know. Because I mean, for me, I guess I'm an arachnophobia because I'm afraid of spiders. And I really don't like spiders. And I'm the same way with bees. I really don't. I think it's from a lot of stuff. Would scream if a bird came near. Did it have to do, like, with the history? Did she have a bad time with the bird? That, like, if it's that, then it's... the thing is, though, I don't know if it's mental issues because it doesn't make sense. But for fear, it has to have a trigger. And I think the thing that makes sense with it would be PTSD. Like, having a traumatic experience with it. That makes sense to me. But for it to be, like, mental issues, I don't know how... But then again, like, who makes up these words? Like, who made up, oh, you're afraid of ducks? Like, who made up that word? And why did they make it so difficult to say? Like, come on. I want to be able to pronounce what you're afraid of, not... Horror movies could also cause a fear, I think, at least for me. I think horror movies create a fear that, like, I have a fear of sleep. I think that's called insomnia. Don't think it's a fear. But, oh wait, I mean, isn't there a fear of, what's it, sleep paralysis? That's a fear. Maybe that's what you have? I don't know. Horror movies, I mean, I love horror movies. Because I watch a lot of them. I don't really have a fear for them, though. Because I at the end, they're usually done. Or, at the end, they're usually dumb. I think I said done. But, yeah. Well, and I think insomnia. I have to remember that there's a delay between Twitch chat and me, or not a Twitch chat, the YouTube chat, because I just keep rambling on, and then someone will respond to something, and I'm gonna be like, "What was it about? What did I say that they're responding to?" Be like a whole minute later, I'll be like, "I love horror movies too, but now I can't stand clowns." I was never afraid of clowns, you know. It's just one of those things I never really understood. Like, I understand how people are afraid of them, but, like, for me personally, I just, like, you know, it's a clown. They do what they do. I mean, I don't know. I think they're stupid. Was it the movie It? I mean, thing is, I don't know, like, how... I don't know. I'm just gonna not talk. I'm gonna say something ignorant. Because I'm not exactly sure on some of the sciences between some of these, like, horror movies and fears and all that. Because, like, you can get a fear from, like, a movie or something, but, like, I always thought a phobia had to be, like, some sort of PTSD. And I understand how a movie can cause it, but at the same time, I don't understand how it's not I wouldn't say, like, I don't know. It doesn't feel like it would be a bad experience at the time. I don't know. I'm just ignorant. I don't know. I don't know why someone said they subbed, but the view thing didn't update. Let me update it myself. Or the sub counter didn't update. Hey, 4 more hours. Let's go. We got another script that we got update, and then that should be it for the scripts to be updated. Alright, let's see if it updated. I don't know, it didn't update. Maybe it's just YouTube being YouTube, you know? It could just be that. Just be YouTube being YouTube. The stream is still up. I don't know why the drop frames on my Streamlabs doesn't show any numbers. Like on before it would show numbers, like when the stream would be dropping frames. Now it's just like, oh, stream crashes, that's it. It doesn't show me like, oh, you're dropping frames. I'm like, okay. Guess I'll never know if my stream is healthy or not. But yeah. So this is the last part of this script, and then we got another script to fix. The stream has been 2 hours long. What's the longest I've done on YouTube so far? 3.5, I think. Because usually I get tired. I just talk and talk and talk, and then I usually have other things to do. Right now, I don't have anything else to do. Well, I do have other things I could do, But I'm choosing to stream right now because I'm not gonna stream again until Wednesday, either Wednesday or Thursday. I might not stream again because I'm busy this week. If anyone's got questions, feel free to ask. Or like or bring up a topic to talk about. Cause I don't know what to talk about. YouTube, I think YouTube streaming, it is good, but YouTube needs to do a lot more with it. There is a lot more YouTube needs to do with it. There needs to be, there's got to be a better way to do it. It's unfortunate, but it's true. YouTube streaming has been around for like 4 years now, and it's just utter garbage, really. Because as the streamer, you can't do anything, really. You can't set up a poll on the stream. You can't really moderate your own stream. You can only time people out, and that's about it. If you time out the wrong person, you can't fix it. That's the issue. Like the other day, I accidentally timed the wrong person out, and I couldn't fix it. You can't fix it, and it's upsetting that you can't fix it because I don't like that. Whereas on Twitch, you get like a whole way to fix things. You can undo things, you can see bans and all. Like YouTube, oh my gosh. The only thing I can do is time people out and hit stream. Like hit go live. That's really it. It's unfortunate. I don't understand it at all. And I really hope YouTube does something about it. Because YouTube in the past, they haven't changed much. I would say this past 6 months, there hasn't been many changes on YouTube. Is Twitch your favorite streaming app? I like watching Twitch, but I don't like streaming on there because I don't have much of a platform. On YouTube, I get more interactions because of the amount of subs that I have. Because people come by, see what's up, and they ask questions, and I get actual viewers. Unlike Twitch, YouTube, you actually get recommended streams. On Twitch, I don't know what goes on over at Twitch. I get like 0 viewers, and it's awkward sitting there quiet the whole time. And it's obviously starting out, you're gonna have no viewers, but it's just tough. Because how do people expect you to be entertaining at the same time as like having no viewers? It's just one of those things, like I don't understand it. But I'd rather watch Twitch streams than YouTube streams. The only YouTube streams that I watch is the keynotes for like Samsung keynotes, Apple whenever they release something new. Yeah, like when apps do. I don't know. I'm just kind of lost right now. Hold on. I'm looking at. Yeah, I've tried to stream before, but I just gave up because it's hard to get viewers. It really is. I don't. Like, through streaming, I know I have gotten new subscribers and new viewers on YouTube. But in terms of, like, starting out, I don't know how it works. Like on Twitch, I don't, unless you are part of, like, a streaming group, and you kind of build off each other like that, it makes sense. But in terms of I just don't know half the time. Graphs, was it Graphs 2? Graphs 3. This, get song graphs. So get song graphs. Where's that? Here. I think we're gonna have to change this one too. How long have you been making YouTube videos? Well, I think YouTube was, I've never really been active as much. I've never been as active on YouTube than I have now. But on YouTube alone, I think I've been on YouTube for 7 years. I've been using YouTube way longer than that though, for like 10 years. But yeah, I've been making videos, like just little small videos, since 2008. I've been making like little videos because I was on an app called GIFboom, which is like just a GIF app. It's like it's like sort of like one of the one of the first social media apps of that time, outside of Facebook. But I tried to run a Facebook page, but you know, those things are weird. But I used GIFboom, and then that was like 2 years, and that kind of died out. It's gone now. I was a Viner. I did Vines for 3 years, 3 to 4 years, I think it was, on Vine. And then since Vine ended, I didn't really do anything. Mainly because I've been focusing on school, working, doing other things. And then now I'm just getting back into, seeing the growth on the channel lately. I wanted to do something with the channel. So I'm just making little videos, random, dumb videos. Yeah, I miss Vine too. TikTok's fine. I just don't use it because it's not the same. It's just different. And like TikTok, like I'm 22 years old. TikTok it looks so marketed towards kids, and it just seems weird for me to be on it, I think. That's the one thing I think TikTok kind of does bad in their marketing, is that they market it looks more like it's geared towards kids. And which it was, because it was originally Musical.ly. It was originally Musical.ly, and then they rebranded and got bought out, and now they're TikTok, in which it is what it is. I just think I don't belong on there. 22 years old, I think it's a different time. So this update graphs 2, so 3 is gonna be get song graphs 2. Wait, hold on. So get song artist graph 2. So this is gonna be get song graphs 2, but we're gonna need to update it a bit, because we're gonna need to do get song graphs 2. We need to update this one first, in which I think is because of this year ID we gotta change, which we gotta add here, I believe. Mega got Pokemon Diamond, Golden Sapphire, Golden Diamond. So it's gonna be like this. I don't know why the subscriber count didn't update. It's weird. YouTube is weird. So we basically, on this one, we basically gotta do it again. Oh, okay, so we have this here. I have a Tumblr that I sort of use, but it's mainly just for like Pokemon. Oh wait, I do, okay. It's mainly just for Pokemon content. Like, I make Pokemon memes and all that. I don't, other than YouTube, I'm not very active on social media anymore. Not even, it's mainly because, like, do you have Pokemon Go? No. I don't have unlimited data on my phone, and without unlimited data, Pokemon Go really isn't useful. What's up, Infinity? Welcome back. But yeah, without unlimited data, you can't really play Pokemon Go. And so I just, when it first came out, I downloaded it and I was like, cool, what do you do? Then it was like, oh, I can't do anything with it. So I was like, alright, that's what's up. It's fine though, I watch it, I see what it does, see what people do on it. Hold on a second. This doesn't make sense here. There. I was gonna say, that didn't make sense. Years 4, years 5, no, 3. What's up, Infinity? What's up, indeed? Alright, so there's that, and then, hold on a second. 1, 2, 1, 2. Man, these next, it has been an hour so far. What was this, 9 months? That was 6 months? Okay, I guess so. Alright, so even though this is taking a long time for to update this, it's kind of like one of the last few things that we need to do. Yeah, almost 3.5 left. Like I was saying earlier, it feels like I just started streaming. But usually I don't stream this late, like in the day. Usually I stream earlier, like around like 6, no, what am I saying? Around like 1 p.m. EST. But today, I decided, I said like, whatever. What music do I listen to? I listen to mainly hip-hop, rap. I mean, I listen to all types, generally. Like, I'll listen to radio music, like 93.3. I'll listen to like whatever's trending, like the songs. Cause like right now, the song "Lonely," the song "Lonely" by Justin Bieber. It's a very good song. I never felt like so relatable to that song till now. Till I heard it. The song "Mood" is a good song. The song "Bang" is a good song. Like, I don't remember the artists, but they're the ones that play on the radio. And they're good songs. But primarily, oh, see, it went up. Oh my gosh, what was that? 30, 40 minutes later? Wow. YouTube is on some drugs right now. Crazy. But, yeah, I mainly listen to rap music, hip hop, listen to rock. Someone else, a lot of people listen to rock that stopped by. I know when I did the poll of music, let me check the poll actually, because wow, 2,000 people voted in the Among Us poll. Let me check the music poll now. So a lot of people with the poll cool. I usually listen to pop and rap and even jazz and R&B. A lot of people in the poll liked rock, but they also in the comments they like oh, NF, don't get me started. NF is amazing. NF, do you like Christian music? Like, you'll like Skillet? Skillet is amazing. There's another band that's rock rap band. I can't think of the name, but they're amazing. I don't. I see NF just as a rapper, even though it's defined that he's a Christian rapper. There's a whole, I guess, argument or controversy or whatever people want to talk about it. They get. I feel like they get too involved in what it's defined as. Like, he's a rapper. You're a Christian. I mean, you don't have like. Just like, I don't know. People get too concerned about the definition of what he is. It's like he makes music. It doesn't like from it that. That's all it is. He makes music. He's a rapper. Being a rapper, it's not a rapper isn't defined as a rapper isn't defined as someone being able to curse or whatever. Just because he doesn't curse doesn't like make him not a rapper. And I think people get too, I don't know, from what I've seen. Yeah, it's for all people. It's for all people, and some people think like they get too confused with the definition. They think the definition is entitled to like what they should listen to. It's like, no, it doesn't. And I don't think NF himself doesn't really care for what people call it, his music. And I think I saw an interview that he did, like, people can call it what it is, and it'll stay like that. And I noticed a certain category when it comes to the charts and all, and NF usually tops those charts when the time comes. But it's I don't know. You know, have you heard of Skillet though? Because they're a Christian rock band. You know, not that the Christian part matters, but since you brought up like the Christian aspect, maybe you've heard of them. Skillet is pretty good. Skillet has been around for a long time. Yes, you have. That's good. My site has Skillet on there. Pika-pee, pika-pee, pika-pee. The only issue that I have when it comes to genres of music is the subgenres. Don't even get me started on the subgenres of metal, the subgenres of rock. For me, if it's rock, it's rock. If it's metal, it's metal. I do not bother with, oh, it's this type of metal, it's this type of rock. I don't care. For me personally, just a little bit of new rock. Isn't new rock called NU rock? I think that's how people spell it. I don't know, it's weird. People spell it differently, I think. I might... Okay, so with the year thing, I was just thinking... The year might just not matter. I'll change it in the future. I don't care either. Yeah. I don't know. So the years, the way I'm doing this now with the code is that I'm gonna have another 2 hours in the future that I'm gonna have to put aside just for what I'm doing, because I can easily change it Can I though? No, I can't. I can't. I'm thinking of something different here. There's gonna, in the future, there's probably gonna be a different chart that I'm gonna do, or with the data, because the data is right now it's stuck to one specific part of the code. So I'm gonna have to sort of recode it, but it technically wouldn't because the code's already here. 3 hours and 30 minutes, yes. Let's go. Oh, I really got out of here. And hopefully I finish this in time, because now I'm beginning to wonder if I will. Because this has been almost 2 hours. Do you know KB? I don't know KB. If KB's an acronym for an artist, then maybe. Wait. I think I might know KB. Let me check my music on my phone. Cause I think there's a. No. I thought I had a song on my phone. Oh wait, no, I updated the music on here. Let me check my other phone. Oh, yes, I do. So the song I have, I've heard of one song, which I liked. It's called Angels featuring Flame. That's the one song that I have from KB. And I don't know who KB was, I just heard the song. So I technically still don't know who he is. Or she, I don't know. Their gender. But I don't know who they are. I just know one song. Because I know I've heard the name, but... What is this? 1, 2, 1, 2... Looking at this is confusing a bit. Guy, it's a guy. That's good. Can never know nowadays. I thought this said 9 months. 6 months. You never know nowadays what people are. I mean, not saying that in a bad way, but you know. That's the one thing I don't know. I'm not gonna talk about politics here. I do not care about politics. I will be 100% honest about that. I don't care. As long as we're all respectful and whatever, that's fine. Alright, so that is that, and then this. So we're halfway done with the script. Woohoo! I do my job, I get to working. Put you in the box if you a burden. I wish I had done this at the beginning. Hello, Connor Lindberg. How you doing? Right now, if you want to know what we're doing, we're just talking while I do this code. So there's not much to know about with the code. You could just we're just talking, chilling. The code is just sitting here. I'm working on it because it's a bit of a repetitive process right now. So you don't really need to know what's going on. We just talking, chilling. If you want to know the music that's playing right now, his name is Shofu. And Shofu, S-H-O-F-U. That is how you spell Shofu. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. What I'm working on is a music site. I can answer that right now. And the timer is for when the site changes go live. 3 hours and 30 minutes, they go live. Am I gonna stream tomorrow? I don't know. I don't think so. Because I got 2 dislikes, bruh. People just hating. I'm just streaming, man. Why? Can't stand these people sometimes. I honestly think it's the people who, it's because the video's in their recommended and they don't want it to be in their recommended, so they dislike the stream. And some people ask me, why are you in my recommended? I'm like, I don't know. I mean, come on, man. People ask me why I'm on their recommended. Did I create YouTube? They just like to be mean. Yeah, that too. It is. But I just never understood when people ask, why are you in my recommended? Like, I don't know, man. Does it look like I created YouTube? If it does, where's my check? Where's my money at? But I mean, like right now, it says we have 7 viewers, and so throughout the stream, we do get a peak of viewers like this. So that's probably what it is different times of YouTube, like either people now are on YouTube seeing this. And if you aren't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. We are trying to hit 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I think it's possible, but the sooner the better, because then we could just set a new goal. You must be very smart. People say I'm smart. I don't think I am, because I compare myself to a lot of other people, and I don't see myself as smart. It's one of those things like I have an issue with, and it definitely does, like with programming, there's a stigma of imposter syndrome, and I definitely do have that a lot, because oftentimes you will hit, yes sir. Oftentimes I don't see myself as like a developer or programmer or whatever I do to be so good, because of sometimes the output or the way it looks, or the way I think, because there's always room for improvement. I understand that. There's always someone that's gonna be better than me. There's always gonna be someone that's not as good as me, which I understand that. But it's just one of those things, like it's a hard mentality to get rid of, because I don't know. Because I know when something I do is good and different, but at the same time, I'm not gonna go out there and say I'm the best in the world at it, because I know I'm not. And it's one of those things, like, I mean, I guess you could say it's humble, but at the same time, it's also a struggle to deal with, because it's like, why won't I just accept the compliment? And it's like, well, it's hard for me to accept the compliment. I don't know. It's just, I have my own issues. You have a question? Shoot. Hey, let's go, 786. You can ask that question, for real. How did you get subs? I've been on YouTube for quite a long time. A lot of videos that I've posted in the past were just like re-uploads of like people that were on Vine. And then, I mean, I don't claim that content mine, and I put in the description of where I got it from for most of them. Some of them I don't know or don't remember. But those videos, like, I guess now are like popping off or getting the traction that it's getting. I'm trying to hit 1K by the end. How many do you have right now? I can't check, so. Is this? Okay, this should be done here. But yeah, how many subs do you have now? Cool. Yes, cool indeed. Let me know how many subs you have now, so I can see your scope of things. $25. All right. So you have 25 subs. Let me hold on. I think on YouTube I can. Let me check something real quick. So I can't. Can I even? Wow, this is so on YouTube. I can't even click on your name to view your profile or anything. So I wanted to see like if you. I mean, so I would recommend posting 1 or 2 videos a day, but space them out. But also, the way for me, short videos have been what it has been. So I do short, dumb videos. What's up, KGS Blue Ops? How you doing? So, the way I do my videos is I keep them short because the attention span of some people are very low. So, shorter videos tend to do better. And then also people are more likely to click on a shorter video. Oh, you do 1 video a week? Oh man. If you do 1 video a week, you're not gonna go far. You gotta post more than that. Like, I would say make your channel more diverse. If it's exclusive to one type of content, make it more diverse. Don't keep it exclusive. So if you keep it exclusive to certain content, then you're tying yourself down to a certain audience, which might be deterring your growth. So yeah, you like I tried clicking on his name and YouTube wouldn't let me. I don't want to YouTube. Oh my gosh, why does YouTube do that? It's so annoying because I want to see what type of videos you post so I can answer this. But definitely post more. Definitely keep your content open to anything, so that way when you do change up your content, open up new search and let me check, hold on. Well, I searched by channel. Oh, there's 2 eyes in it, hold on. Hold on, let me check. INFIN. Your channel name might also be an issue, because your channel name is very hard to spell. So I found your video, or I found your channel. Yeah, you should definitely, I see your about page. You should definitely change your channel name to something better, so it's more easy for people to search. Because if I had that amount of trouble searching your name, just imagine what other people are going through. Definitely change the channel name. To what? I don't know. Something that's more searchable. More, I guess, different. You talk here, news about a gaming channel. I recommend, honestly, just keeping one channel. Because unless that's what you're talking about, is that one channel. But it's yeah, you found it. Yeah, so definitely keep it to one channel. Don't open up to different channels until you find create a subscriber base or an audience, because once you start opening more channels when you don't have an audience, you're kind of failing still. Like you're not really doing much of a difference there. You're welcome. Glad I can help. So let me. Okay, hold on. I gotta use the restroom, so I will be back. So let me just do this. BRB. So if anyone stops by, you know, tell them to subscribe. I'm back. Alright, so we're actually almost done with this. You subscribed. See, that's good. Other people are helping you out, so that's always good. Good. Alright, so we have this. And then the difference with this code here is where this is update graphs 2. This is the difference graph, so this So I think with this, did we do everything here? Like, I want to make sure this is all set and working before I finish it. So this artist graph 2, I want to make sure these are the same, because I noticed on the other page they're different. So let me copy this, and we're gonna do this, and then we're gonna check here. So the difference here doesn't matter, but here's your ID. The difference here is gonna matter here. So now we're on to doing this again, where we do, well, this is with song ID. So we're gonna do this, and then instead of 2, it's gonna be 3. Me and my friend will sub to you too. Infinity. See, thank you all helping him out. But that's good. Good job. Thank you, everyone. Appreciate y'all. Oh, someone undisliked. That means, hold on. Someone undisliked. That means one of y'all disliked it to begin with. Hey, you don't have to expose yourself, but hey. That's not funny. Y'all gonna dislike that one. See, it was 2 earlier, now it's 1. almost 3 hours. Y'all see that? Almost 3 hours. 9 viewers. Yo. When it gets closer to like the last hour, I hope we get a lot more viewers. It wasn't you? Okay. If it wasn't you. If y'all haven't liked this stream though, hit that like button. Hit that like button, hit that sub button. It's all free. It's all free. That's what I'm saying. It's all free. That's the one thing if you're starting out on YouTube and you sure? Okay. Okay. I believe you. But definitely I would, if you try and like, I wouldn't really say advertise your channel to other channels, but tell people, I guess, that's around you, like in real life, or tell people like, if you're in Discord, definitely like, yo, I'm starting this YouTube channel, or not starting it, I'm doing this YouTube channel, like definitely try and bring it up, because, you know, interactions with other people do help, whether it just, even if they don't subscribe, they might be able to help you in different ways. You never know. But never, I would say never advertise your channel on someone else's channel. That's the corniest thing I think I see people do. What happened to the music? Oh, it changed. Alright. But, yeah. But I'm also, whoever did it disliked it again. Let me update my phone because it doesn't show it for me. It doesn't show it for me. It only shows 1. It was, oh, it says 17 likes now. It only shows 1 dislike for me. You saying that it's you then? Are you saying that it's you? It's all good. I don't really care about the dislikes. Cause the one thing I never understood, like, why I understand why dislikes are a bad thing and all that, but people you also have to remember, even if people dislike it, people dislike things out of despite or despise. Where's everyone watching from? No, it's not you. Okay. I'm from America, or United States, Florida. I'm from Florida. That's what's up. Liked it from the beginning of the stream. That's what everyone should be doing. As soon as they pop in, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Just ask what's up, and you know, Tokyo. Yo, that's very cool. So I assume you're Japanese then, right? That is very cool. A lot of my, I think, subscriber base is from a different country. Because I know I did something like a poll against Target and Walmart, and people were like, here in the UK we don't have that, or here in India we don't have that, and I was like, damn. I mean, I know people are, not everyone's, yeah, but you speak English. Yeah, that's cool. Very cool. As a sec, I would, yeah, I assume. Do they, okay, so, how, I always wondered, do they teach it as, like, do you have to do you learn by yourself, or do they teach it? Because I know in the US, here, we have to learn a second language as an elective for school, and most of the times people choose Spanish. But do you also have the same thing in... Okay, wait, hold on. The stream lagged for a second. So I was saying, like, do you have to learn... Yes, I have it. Tough at my class. So you do have class that you teach, or you learn it? I mean, that's cool. It's... Yeah, taught, yeah. I don't know, like, I don't know how this will come off, but English is like one of those languages that is very universal, despite, you know, it's not, I don't know, it's weird. I don't understand how English has become so universal language, because it really could be any language. It could have been, it could have really just been Chinese. Like, I would have rather known Chinese than Japanese, or we don't have many options, but English we are taught since the first grade. So I understand why they teach English, because English, the language, is very universal. Pretty much anywhere you go, I'm sure there will be people who know English, because it's very, I want to say necessary that I was taught English, because it has helped me to, yeah, it does, because there's a lot of cultural things that revolve around English, and it in a way it almost seems racist, because you want to be represented by your own, I guess, native tongue, in which there are companies, like, they do have, like, the YouTube Japanese, YouTube Spanish, like, they have all the different things, but in a way it's, I really wish, like, I mean, the communities, of course, are different. I know the communities are different, because I know the Hispanic community, it go crazy over on Twitch. But, I don't know. It's weird to think, like, English sort of has to be taught nowadays, because if you go outside of your country, but I also taught myself Spanish, Korean, and Italian, which helps me so much. That's insane. Spanish, Korean, and Italian. That's insane. I only know some Spanish. I took Spanish for 2 years. I know a little bit of Spanish, and that's about it. Any other language, I have no clue. I've tried learning Ukrainian, which is where I was born, but I don't know it because I was adopted. But it does take patience and time. Definitely. Hold on, I got an email. Here's where to get her link. Alright. Yeah, definitely a legend. There's a YouTuber that does different languages. There's many YouTubers that do this, but I think his name goes by Mouse or Moose. and his videos, I watch him sometimes. I'm subscribed to him, but I don't watch all his videos. A little bit of Latin. It's always good to know another language. Not much. Even knowing a little bit, like, I think like here in America, one of the biggest second known languages is Spanish. Whether it be the first language or second language, it's Spanish, because Spanish is so widely used in America because of the people who come over. And there are other languages people use, like, I'm not saying Hispanics are the only people, but I hope you understand what I mean. But Spanish is one of the, like, because in school, you have to take a language, and they do offer other languages depending on the school and what professors they have, but Spanish is the top taken language that people take because it's usually always offered, but it's also one of the biggest used because of, immigrants and people always over here. But I mean, it has helped me. I'm not gonna deny it. It has helped me. I'm not fluent. If I could stop racism, I think we all would, to be honest. Ruben, what's up? We still here. Look at that. 3 hours left. I think we've been streaming for almost 3 hours now. Yeah, almost 3 hours. Over 3 hours, probably. We're almost done with this part of the site, too. That's the best part. I gotta double check it, though. And then there's one last piece I gotta fix with the site. But yeah, Spanish has definitely helped me. Good stuff, yes sir. Just wait until 12 o'clock or 11 o'clock your time. It gonna go crazy. Someone said earlier, oh, I should party. Like, party? This is only the beginning. Nah, he's already liked the stream. I know. He's already liked the stream. And if not, I know where to... I hate racism, and even though Asians aren't seen as a target, especially when I go to Germany, it's annoying that people still do those type of jokes. Like, you'd think they get they're obviously dumb and racist jokes. Like, I don't understand. I wish people would just not do that stuff. And I mean, the best you can do is just ignore it, I'd say, or it depends on the people. Like, if it's like little children, you could educate them. You could tell them it's wrong not to do that, how it feels. If it's grown adults, you kind of just have to ignore it. You just have to ignore it. It's unfortunate that we live in a world that does that. And I just don't understand it. So this one, I think, is we're all just the same. We're all the same skin. Yeah, pretty much. What is different with this one? True. What is the difference with this one than this one? Song ID is different. Alright, so I think this one is, we just put it here, and then, alright, we just changed it to 3. Oh yeah, under 3 hours. Remember when we said it's under 2 hours? That was insane. or under not 2 hours, under 4 hours. I am losing it. I tell you, I am losing it. The longer I go, the more I lose it. I'm coughing, wheezing. I'm surprised the stream is still up. There was one starter earlier, but I think we're all good now. And then, so, alright, so that's there. We're almost done with this script, which is good. We've been doing the same thing for like 2 hours now, almost. But it's all good. Glad people are still here. Surprised people are here this long. Y'all been here for like an hour so far. It's insane. 2 hours probably. Appreciate y'all. But I don't know. This summer I'm supposed to hopefully have an internship, and if I do, I probably won't be as active this summer. Maybe I'll probably, like, I know I'll have the weekends off, but at the same time I probably won't, because I'll be doing other things with the internship. And that would just be for like a few weeks though. So maybe if I get the internship, maybe I'll do an update video regarding that break, so people know what happened. So people don't think, oh, he disappeared, he fell off. Because as soon as that internship is over, I'll be back on the grind. What are we doing? But I really hope I get that internship. What? Is it lagging? Why is it? I thought it was lagging or something. Dude. Oh wait, what? Hold on. Oh, hold on. I gotta fix this. Hold on. A girl. A girl. I'm a boy. Alright, I gotta fix this. There's gotta be 2. I'm rare like candy. Do I have to do this for the whole thing up here? Select one. Alright, let me see. 2. Okay, so I think I fixed it there. We're almost done with this page. And there's another thing we gotta fix. Oh, when I made you. Alright, so now we finish this. Who watch me? Wow. I'm surprised. Yeah, it is super cool. Like I said earlier, like I did a poll from like Walmart versus Target, and a lot of people. Yeah, I don't know who is it about. I don't think it's about Infinity though. I think it's about me. If it's about Infinity, damn, you got fans. No. From Austin. So yeah. Like I was saying, I did a poll. It was like Target versus Walmart, and a lot of people in the comment section, they were talking about all over the place. Like, we have Aldi's down here, but I guess Aldi's is more of like a generic store for their country or where they're from. And I was surprised because I thought I'd get like more, like a lot of people were from all over the place, and I was like, wow. I was surprised. But my hey, that's what's up. Yeah, shared love. YouTube tells me that a lot of my viewer base is from the UK. So, that's pretty cool. Or from around the UK, not exactly the UK. You gotta go. It's alright. It's all good. Glad you stayed by. What is this? But yeah, like I said earlier, I'm probably not gonna stream tomorrow. Got some things I gotta do to get ready for my internship on Tuesday. My interview, not my actual one. So there's that, and then I also got, I think, some homework stuff I gotta do tomorrow. Cause I haven't looked at my homework stuff in like the past 2 days, and I think I got some things to do. Shouldn't be that difficult. Ooh. Getting tired already. It's only been 3 hours. Have you ever been to other countries? I haven't. I was born in Ukraine, but I was adopted when I was 3 years old, so I don't really have an accent, or I don't really know the language, which I kind of wish I did, because it would be cool to know language. But I've only been to different states. I haven't really been elsewhere outside of this country. I want to go to the UK, but I don't know when, and we all gotta wait till the COVID thing is over anyways. But I really want to go to the UK, but I don't know how traveling works in terms of, I know you have to convert currency and all. Yeah, it's never too late to learn. Yeah, it's funny because I learned programming languages, and I could easily learn other languages, but I don't know where to begin. I know there's good sites. There's good sites such as like Rosetta Stone, Duolingo. There's another site someone recommended. I saw a video that they recommended. The thing is, though, unless you practice the language, I don't think you. I don't know. This might just me. This might just be me, but for me, if I don't practice the language, I'm gonna forget it, and that's the thing. Like with Spanish, like I forgot a lot of the stuff that I learned. I know like the generic of like some words, but I forgot a lot of what I learned in Spanish because I don't really use it on a daily basis. It's hard to get started because I lose motivation usually by paying a little extra for a test. I'm the same way. Maybe one of these days I'll learn a new language. Just right now I'm just kind of in the middle of things. Maybe in the future, because I think once I get more like comfortable of where I am in life and more financially like out of college, financially have a job, like all this stuff, got my own place, I think then I'll be able to venture out into new things to do like that. But right now I'm kind of too busy because like I'm busy with college, I'm busy with trying to get this internship, I'm busy with also like working. So it's like one of those things that I don't know. On other news, we finished it. The so-called code. Let's see. Let's just refresh this actually. Because I think I finished this here. I don't know why everything's running at like 10 frames per second right now. So there's that, and then if we search the song, we get this. If we see the difference, it doesn't. Oh, wait, that's for January. Hold on. We see the difference. How do we? Hold on, let me move this thing. Let me put it over here. I'm trying to see if how this works. So January, December, November. We have no stats for November. So that means November should be 0, I believe. Right? I'm not exactly sure. Okay, so this difference here should be the difference here should be like negative, but it's not. Let me. Well, January. So January is always 0. How come the difference between January and December should be negative, technically. I won't be able to stay much longer because I have an online meeting for my job, but I'll watch as long as I can. Hey, that's fine. Glad that you stayed this long to begin with. I appreciate it. Let me go back to the code here. What time is it where I live? Right now it is 9:12 p.m. Why did it... This song does not equal that. Return artist graph 2. 11:12 a.m. Wow. You in the future. what was it? Graph 3. Is this updated? Returns on graph 2. Gets on graphs 2. Gets on graphs 2. Why does it not be negative here? 3 months here. 2, 3, 3, 1, 2. What? I'm trying to understand why it's doing this. So it should be alright, so if it's not daily, this is monthly. So from here to here, see difference. There should be 0. Hold on. Okay, so this makes sense. If it's daily, does that mean so January, December? I don't understand this, and I coded it. That's the thing. I coded this, but I don't understand it. January. So this is without the difference. Let's do not the current month for daily. We see the difference. Doesn't matter. So past 3 months we can see here. So in January and December, the song got. Let me just. Oh, hold on. Let me just do this. So in January 1st, let's say the song got 10,000 views. And then in December, let's say the song got. Well, it'll never go down. Hold on. If we say the song was at. How does this work again? I don't understand it. I understood it for the other one, but I don't understand it for... What song is this? Hold on. Maybe we're looking at the wrong thing here. It's alright, Pluto Bay. It's alright if you gotta go. Just know later in the day, you can see the changes. Try and join the next live stream, dude. That's what's up. Thank you. I appreciate that. Let me update the sub count. 789. Look at that. 789. I'm updating it. 2.5 hours left. If it will load. Yeah, I'll check on the website later. Yes. Definitely check the website later. Bye. Bye. I'm looking over here because my chat is over here. Let's see. 7789. Could we hit 7800? I don't know. But let me see this. Will the song ever... Hold on, this song gotta go monthly. So if we see the difference for song here, this is for January. What song? This should be undone. Hold on. So I think it does work because look, 10,000. If we do daily, yeah, it does work. You just have to, I think about it. It's weird. It's weird, but you just gotta think about it. Just look at this, like, it goes to 10,000, 10,000, but if I change it to 20, it's gonna update it, so hold on. To here, 20,000. So it's gonna update it. So the difference is this. But wait, this is for the month for that specific song. But it doesn't add up all of these? That doesn't make sense, because this for past 3 months, it should add up. For the song, it should add up all this for the month. For daily, it makes sense here. For the month, though, it should be adding up all of these. Oh, but it should, hold on. If I do this, if I add this to 20,000 here, or 2,000, does it update this? $22,000. So how come it doesn't update with these here? So let me put one here. Is this? Let me see something here. It doesn't update. Why doesn't it update with this? Mega Charizard. Because oh, I know. It's because of, I think December is the same one. Yes, that makes sense. December is the same date, or the same data. That's why. Because if I change this to 0, I changed this to 0. This should be different now when I go to here. Yeah, it's very different now, so it works. So you can see the difference now with January, see daily, the difference there. So I believe with that, that's done. Stream should be back up. Let me hold on. Let me open up Discord. Yo, if anyone's got questions, feel free to ask them. Anyone's got questions, feel free to ask them. Hello. I'm streaming still. I'm still streaming. I saw you, Ruben, popping in and out.
Yeah, it was good. Hey, tell us again, bro.
What?
Yo, what was that? We hear an echo from here in Austin.
You do?
Yeah.
Um,
And it went out deeper too.
let me see the voice settings here.
No, just in here. Oh, you sound deeper too. Yeah. I'm just saying.
Oh, I sound deeper? Is it because of the... It might be because of the mic.
You sound much deeper. Austin trying to hide his voice because they got his address.
Yeah, I got a voice changer. Hold on, let me try.
Hello? What is this new Austin boy?
I don't know.
This
Hey,
is Austin DLC.
2021 Austin.
This is
Hey,
Austin
watch
DLC,
out.
bro.
This is super baby Austin.
Super baby.
So is that better?
DLC, bro. That's
Is that better?
Austin, if I
Better. You sound like regular Austin.
Okay, because I just unplugged this mic. I don't know what it's trying to do.
bro. I don't know about the other Austin, bro. That was Nega Austin, bro.
What?
Dude, wait, I don't
nigga Austin.
That was
nigga Austin.
I don't understand. Twitch just said I was live, and now it doesn't say I'm live on the side. Or not Twitch, Discord.
Oh, Discord. I don't
It
know.
said I was live, and now it says I wasn't. What's up with that?
Bro, you dog.
My mic, does that, my mic mean I'm live?
I don't know, bro.
Austin.
Yo, these site changes 2 hours and 30 minutes. I could just do it now, but you know, I gotta build up the hype.
Oh my god, we're gonna pull up, watch.
Oh yeah. You gonna use the site? Yes,
Get
sir.
your stream ready.
I was updating the data for the graphs and all because there was an issue that I had with it.
Bro, that's crazy. Gonna do graphs and shit, like, huh?
Ran.
I saw the whole squad pulled up earlier. Had Galonic, Noah, Isa, damn.
You know, it's fan meetup.
Yeah.
That whole fan meetup in the YouTube
Bro,
live
that TV
chat.
is tiny as shit, bro. Looks like an RCV TV, bro. Come on.
Oh, like a fucking tablet. Oh, Austin. Yo, so what do y'all think? Should we watch Cam? About a
I
Cam?
mean-
I'm down. We watch words.
Yeah, we
If it's that bad, we watch words. We'll do it.
watching bad movies is always fun. 'Cause you gotta-
Yeah, I'll watch it. I would.
Like, they're bad, but like, they're still fun to watch.
Yeah, it turns into a comedy when it's not supposed to.
It turns into a comedy. Dude, why does this say my stream is having issues here?
It's an hour and a half. That'll kill time.
I don't know why. Dude, it says my stream is lagging or something. Oh, that's true. Maybe I should just end the stream. Just make the changes. Oh, it's getting back to normal. No, it's still bad. Damn, why Discord gotta do it like that?